PixVerse just raised $439 million. It has over 100 million users. But does any of that actually make it worth paying for? I tested it. Here is the honest answer. PixVerse is an AI video generator that turns text or images into short video clips. No editing skills needed. You type a prompt, pick a style, and in under a minute, you get a video back. If you are a TikTok creator, a social media marketer, or someone who just wants to make cool AI clips fast, PixVerse was built for you. It is not built for Hollywood directors or long-form editors. In March 2026, PixVerse launched V6, their biggest update ever. It added native audio generation, over 20 cinematic camera controls, and multi-shot storytelling. This is where the tool got genuinely impressive. Type a prompt like "a woman walks through a rainy market at dusk, slow motion," and V6 produces usable output. No technical tweaking needed. The community confirmed prompt accuracy jumped significantly with this model. You get over 20 camera controls: dolly, pan, zoom, orbit. Combine this with image to video and you can animate a photo with a specific camera move. For creators, that is a genuine superpower. V6 generates audio alongside the video, dialogue, music, sound effects, and PixVerse R1, launched in January, lets you direct scenes in real time as they generate. No other mainstream AI video tool does this. Reviewers call the cinematic and anime outputs genuinely like clips from real movies. The V6 micro expression system fixed the old creepy face problem. 720p renders in about 60 seconds flat. Fast, and it shows. Free plan gives you 60 daily credits and 540p with a watermark. Standard is $10 a month for 720p HD and no watermark. Pro at $30 unlocks 108p and 6,000 monthly credits. Premium is $60. Yes and no. 60 daily credits and real output is generous. Most competitors watermark everything, but 540p with a watermark limits what you can publish. Upgrade to the $10 plan to actually use the content you make. 1. Renders in under 60 seconds, fastest in class. 2. Zero learning curve. 3. All major aspect ratios, 16:9 for YouTube, 9:16 for TikTok. 4. No watermark even on free, which almost nobody else offers. Max resolution is 1080p. Kling AI now does native 4K. The credit system charges you even for failed generations. And since June 2026, the AI agent feature now costs 500 credits for a simple reply. Users are not happy. Versus Kling AI. Kling wins on quality and 4K output, but costs more and is slower. Versus Runway, more editing tools, steeper learning curve. PixVerse wins on speed, price, and beginner friendliness. It is the fastest on-ramp. One paying user wrote, "I genuinely believe it is a brilliant piece of software." Another praised the landscape and human outputs as the best at this price. But some 2026 users call the new credit pricing a betrayal of trust. Is PixVerse worth it? Yes, if you're a beginner or social media creator who needs fast, good-looking clips for under $30 a month. No, if you need 4K or deep editing control. Start on the free plan at PixVerse.ai. You'll know within an hour. If this helped, subscribe. I test these tools so you don't have to.